God gives us blessings every day, fruits and sunshine, time to play. We give Him back our very best, won't settle for anything less. We wake each morning with a smile, ready to go that extra mile. Hearts filled with love and joy so bright, we let our actions show His light. First fruits we bring with open hearts, each good deed a work of art, for God who loves us endlessly. We give our best so joyfully. Helping hands and kindest words make His love fly like the birds. When we share and when we care, God's love shines everywhere. So sing a song and dance along. In God's love we all belong, with Him guiding every step. We give our best with no regret. First fruits we bring with open hearts, each good deed a work of art, for God who loves us endlessly. We give our best so joyfully. Oh, we give our best so joyfully.